Today I am going to discuss about organic chemistry. It is a branch of chemistry, Total chemistry divided into three categories. One is organic chemistry, number two, inorganic chemistry, number three, physical chemistry. Organic chemistry basically deals with the compounds which comes from living organisms like cellulose, carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, all we are getting from living organisms like plant cell or animal cell. From living organisms we are getting huge number of compounds, basically hydrocarbons. Okay, hydrocarbon means carbon plus hydrogen. Mixing carbon and hydrogen, we are getting huge number of compounds dealing with organic chemistry. Okay, like organic chemistry basically the compound deals with compounds which derive from plant cell or animal cells. Okay, organic chemistry is a very vital chemistry which gives us like medicine. It also contains organic compounds, protein, vitamin, starch, carbohydrate, all belongs to organic compounds. Okay. Therefore, organic chemistry deals with organic compounds which deals about hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon means it is a compound having carbon and hydrogen. Carbon and hydrogen is the main constituent of hydrocarbon. It gives hydrocarbon basically divided into two categories. One is closed chain hydrocarbon, number two, open chain hydrocarbon. Again, closed chain hydrocarbons like benzene is one of the examples of closed chain hydrocarbons. Okay. Next we are going to open chain hydrocarbons. Open chain hydrocarbons divided into three categories. One is saturated like alkane, another is alkene and alkyne. Alkene and alkyne belongs to unsaturated hydrocarbons. That means open chain hydrocarbons gives two types. One is alkane, single covalent bond present in a alkane, which is called which is called paraffin. Next, alkene, which contains double bond, that is olefins. Next, third one is alkyne, contains triple bond. That means saturated hydrocarbon gives about alkane. Okay, and other two, alkene and alkyne, belong to unsaturated hydrocarbons. This is basic idea about the classification of organic compounds, okay, or hydrocarbons. Let us go one by one. Just to see the board, I will discuss one by one. Just see. Just to see the board, just I have discussed hydrocarbon means hydrogen plus carbon. Hydrocarbon means hydro means what? Hydrogen. Carbon means carbon, Hydrogen plus carbon together gives hydrocarbon. Okay. Just to see, hydrocarbon divided into two categories. Number one, open chain hydrocarbon, which is called aliphatic. Second one is closed chain hydrocarbon, which is called cyclic. Closed means what? Cyclic. Closed chain hydrocarbon or cyclic. Again, aliphatic or open chain hydrocarbon divided into two categories. Number one, saturated hydrocarbon. Number two, unsaturated hydrocarbon. Again, this is divided into two categories. One is alkene, another is alkyne. See, the general formula of alkane, is CN H2N plus 2. This is the general formula. Again, the general formula of alkene is CN H2N. Okay, CN H2N. And this one is general formula is CN H2N minus 2. Okay. And it's N is a natural number starting from 1. For this case, But in this case, minimum 2. Here N will be 1, 2, 3, okay. N will be, but here in this case N you have to start from 2, 3, 4, 5. And here also same thing. In case of alkene, because alkane contains single bond. See, unsaturated hydrocarbon divided into two categories. One is alkene, ENE, ENE, alkene. See the spelling, alkene, and here alkyne. The general formula of alkene is Cn is 2n. N will be minimum 2, 2, 3, 4 onward. But alkyne Cn is 2n minus 2. The value of n will start from 2. Minimum 2, then onwards. Okay. I will go more detail about alkane contains single bond, alkene contains double bond, and alkane contains triple bond. In this case, this is triple bond, triple covalent bond, triple covalent bond. In this case, alkyne contains triple covalent bond, but in this case, double covalent bond. Double covalent bond. Double covalent bond. Okay. And here, single covalent bond. Single covalent bond. This is the basic idea of classification of hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon means it is a compound which contains hydrogen and carbon. These are the main part of organic compounds which deals with organic chemistry. Okay. First one is open chain, which is called aliphatic. Second one is called closed chain hydrocarbon. Name is cyclic compound. This aliphatic open chain hydrocarbons divided into two categories. One is saturated hydrocarbon. Second one is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon contains single covalent bond. The main part is alkane, ANE, alkane. The general formula is CnH2n plus 2. N stands for natural number starting from 1, minimum 1, 2 onward. It contains single covalent. Let's come to alkene. This is contains double covalent bond. In N will be minimum 2, then 3, 4 onward. What is the general form of alkene? CnH2n. But in case of alkyne, the general formula is CnH2n minus 2. What type of bond present here? Triple covalent bond. This is the classification of hydrocarbon. Basically, hydrocarbon is the main part of organic compounds. Okay, let us go slide one detail by detail, means one by one. Hello students, I am starting alkane. Okay, it is a single covalent bond and which is called saturated hydrocarbon. Alkane is a saturated hydrocarbon which contains single bond. The general formula is CnH2n plus 2. What is the other name of alkane? The other name is paraffin. Paraffin. The name is paraffin. Paraffin. Okay. Paraffin. Alkane, it is a saturated hydrocarbon having single covalent bond. The general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Now see, if n is equal to 1, then this will be how much? C1, H will be how much? 2 into 1, 2 plus 2, 4, CH4. Okay. This name is methane. What is the name? Methane. Methane. A-N-E, methane. Okay. The other name of methane gas is greenhouse gas. Greenhouse gas. And other name is hello. See, putting n is equal to 1, what I am getting from the general formula of alkane? I am getting C1H4, means CH4. The name is methane. The methane gas, it is a gas, no doubt. The other name is greenhouse gas, Mars gas, Okay. So what is the name of methane? That is greenhouse gas or Mars gas.
MARSH.
Okay, thank you students. MRSH, thank you. Mass gas and greenhouse gas. Now see, if I put N is equal to 2, the name will be C2. Putting N is equal to C2, this will be 2 to 4 plus 2, C6. C2H6. The name will be ethane. Ethane, okay? If N is equal to 3, this will be converted to C3H8. The name will be methane, ethane, propane. Propane, last ANE. If N is equal to 4, the name will be C4H. Just to tell me, H will be how much? 4 to the 8 plus how much? It will be 10. The name is butane. Methane, ethane, propane, butane. In case of butane, carbon 4 and N is equal to 5, this will be C5H12. This will be pentane. Pentane, last it will be ANE, pentane. If N is equal to 6, the name will be C6H14. The name will be hexane. Hexane. Okay. If N is equal to 7, the name will be C7H16. This will be heftane. 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 If N is equal to 8, this will be C8H18. This will be heptane octane. OCTANE, octane. In this way, you can write up to so many things. Basically, from 1 to 5, these are all gases like methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane. Okay. Next will be hexane, heptane, octane. If I put N is equal to 9, this will be nonane. If I put N is equal to 10, this will be decane. Okay. This is the way of writing the so many compounds belong to alkane group. Which group? Alkane group. Having general formula CnH2n plus 2. Putting N is equal to 1, I am getting methane. Okay, these are the compounds. So many compounds can be written from single covalent bond. Now see how to write the structure of methane. Just to see how to write the structure of methane. Just to see. Methane formula is what? C4. You know the valency of carbon is 4. Carbon valency is 4 like this. And hydrogen valency is 1. This is the structure of methane. This is the structure of methane. Same process, ethane can be written like this, 2 carbon. This is the structure of ethane. Same process, 3 carbon. Okay, this one is methane. Carbon having 4 single bond with hydrogen. Because carbon atomic number, you know what is the carbon atomic number? Atomic number of carbon is 6, mass number 12. Electronic configuration will be 2, 4. Okay, that means last shell of carbon, which is K shell and L shell. L shell contains, last shell contains 4 electrons. Carbon has 4 electrons in the outermost shell. Therefore, it contains 4 hydrogen, making 4 covalent bonds, sharing of electron taking place. Carbon with 1 hydrogen, again carbon with another hydrogen, carbon, this electron with another hydrogen. In this way, carbon has 4 electrons, is occupied by 4 hydrogen electrons, okay, forming 4 single covalent bonds. Means it is a sharing of electron taking place, it is a covalent bond. Sharing of electron taking place with hydrogen and carbon. As carbon atomic number 6, electronic configuration, you know, first shell, that is K shell, contains 2 electrons. Second shell, that is L shell, contains 4 electrons. The last shell has 4 electrons in the carbon compound. But hydrogen atomic number 1, mass number 1. That means this is the K shell, first shell, okay. First shell contains only 1 electron. That means it needed, as per the Doplet rule, minimum requirement 2 electrons to be octet. Okay, the hydrogen needs one more electron that will be shared by 1 electron of carbon. This is the structure of methane. This is the structure of methane, CH4, and this one is ethane, and the propane contains 3 carbon. Propane contains 3. This is the way of writing methane. Last it will be ANE. Methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, decane. So many compounds are there. I have written up to 8. And these are the structure of methane. This is the structure of ethane. This is the structure of propane. Each compound of carbon and hydrogen contains single covalent bond. Therefore, alkane belongs to saturated hydrocarbon, which contains only single covalent bond with hydrogen. Okay, let us go next one. Just see. See, next I am going to discuss about alkyl group. Alkyl. See the spelling. ALKYL. Alkyl group. What is alkyl group? It is derived from alkane. Though I have completed alkane, therefore I am going to the derivative of alkane. From alkane, what we will get, that we are going to discuss. See, alkyl group it is derived from alkane. How it is derived? I am showing. The general formula of alkyl is CnH2n plus 1 bond. It is incomplete. One bond is there. Okay. The general formula of alkyl is CnH2n plus 1. How it is coming? As I have discussed, it is derived from alkane. You know alkane, the general formula is CnH2n plus 2. This is the general formula of alkane. From alkane, one hydrogen is replaced. From alkane, one hydrogen is replaced. Okay, that means hydrogen will be decreased. Then it will be alkyl will be formed. Alkyl, YL. The general formula is CnH2n plus 1. This is the way of formation of alkyl group from alkane. Okay. From alkane, how we are getting alkyl? By the removal of one hydrogen. Just to see, from alkane, the general formula CnH2n plus 2, hydrogen is replaced, then we are getting alkyl group. YL present here, and this one is alkane, ANE present. Now, as you know, first compound is methane. Methane, if one hydrogen replaced, then it will becomes methyl, like this. What is the name? Methyl. Okay. Next year I will do more detail about alkyl group. So many things we will discuss. Next, second one is what? C2H6. If one hydrogen replaced from ethane, then this will be C2H5. This will be ethyl. Ethyl. Okay. Third one, C3H8. Okay. One hydrogen replaced, we are getting C3H7. This will be methyl ethyl propyl. Propyl. Fourth one, C4H10. And one hydrogen replaced means minus H. This will be C4H. How much? 9. This one is butyl. Okay, this is the way of getting alkyl group from. See, one more thing you have to remember here. In each corresponding compound, they like methane and ethane, there is a gap CH2. There is a gap CH. Here also there is a gap CH2. One carbon, two hydrogen gap. In between two consecutive compounds of alkane, you are getting the difference is CH. One carbon, two hydrogen. See, one carbon, two hydrogen. These are called homologous series. These compounds are called homologous series. That means one more important thing you are getting. These are series of compounds. These are called homologous. Same thing. These are also homologous series. Okay. Here incomplete. You have to add something. Okay. These are incomplete structure. These are the compounds which are called homologous series of the alkyl groups, and these are the homologous series of alkane group. Okay. Saturated hydrocarbon contain single bond. I hope you are able to understand the process of discussing the chapter organic chemistry, very important chapter. Next we will continue more detail about this chapter. Okay, thanks for today. Hello students, today we have completed the basic definition of organic chemistry. It is a branch of chemistry which deals with organic compounds. Mainly organic compounds consist of hydrocarbons. Today I have discussed the classification of hydrocarbons, types of bond present in different types of compounds like alkane, alkene and alkyne. Today I have completed alkane, more detail. Again alkyl also I have discussed. Alkyl I have discussed, showing different types of compound name. Homologous series also I have told. Okay, I hope you are able to catch the process of discuss. Okay, thank you for today class. Next we will continue this chapter more detail.